Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go look for some monster trucks and see what dinosaurs are doing these days. We got a Velociraptor here, and we got Fire Max D. It seemed like they were just fighting for some reason. Let's see what we can find. Oh, check it out. It's the Team Meets Max D. It's the old school one. You can tell it's got the cool old school wheels. Whoa, look at this. It's a T-Rex. It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's so cool. Let's see what else we can find. Keep your eyes peeled. They're hiding in the leaves. Oh, there's an elephant right here. Check that out. Got some long tusks. Whoa, look at this. It's Sharky. Pretty cool. Oh my goodness, I almost missed this dinosaur. It was hiding under leaves. Did you see up there? It was hiding like that. Can you see the dinosaur in there? Just barely, right? Super sneaky. Oh, check it out. It's Aqua Stallion. It's one of my favorite monster trucks. It's such a cool looking monster truck. And what else is there over here? There's a hippopotamus. Oh, it's going to chomp on some wood. Hippopotamuses don't eat wood, do they? I don't think so. Look, there's another dinosaur. It's a purple dinosaur hiding in the leaves. Or is it eating them? I don't know. It's pretty cool. Whoa, look, it's Dragonoid. Don't breathe fire. There's too many leaves. You might catch them all on fire. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not going to do it. Don't worry. Dragonoid's got it under control. Plus, we can always use Aqua Stallion to help put out the fire. Or we can see if we can find a 5-alarm. Oh look! Son of a digger! So cool! I like this one too. Whoa, look at this one over here. Wait, it's not Racing Stripes. It's a zebra. I almost called it Racing Stripes. I thought it was a monster truck, I guess. Ooh, look at this. It's Jurassic Attack. Ooh, it's a Triceratops. Oh, look at this. Blue Thunder. Check that out. Oh, it's a lion. Roar. Oh, check out this dinosaur here. It's a Dilophosaurus. Watch out, it's going to spit at us. Oh no. It's spitting on Old Gravedigger. So silly. Check it out, he's Old Gravedigger. Let's see all the monster trucks and dinosaur animals we found today. Found Old Gravedigger. A Dilophosaurus. I'll put him right there. Sounds like he's eating Old Gravedigger. We found a zebra. A lion. Son of a digger. A long-necked dinosaur, Dragonoid, Jurassic Attack, an elephant, T-Rex, Aqua Stallion, Blue Thunder, and another dinosaur. Team Meets Max D, 2000-2001 World Champion. Found this dinosaur shark one. Then we've got Velociraptor. Then we've got Hippopotamus. And Max D with the fire tires. Let's see, how many did we find today? Let's count the monster trucks first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 monster trucks, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dinosaurs and animals. That's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you next time.